How often should a company update its VPAT or ACR? Ideally, a VPAT or ACR should be updated annually. That's the most common expectation, especially if you're working with clients or contracts that require accessibility documentation. At most, we'd recommend updating it every 2 years, but beyond that, your product has likely changed enough to warrant a fresh evaluation. Our goal is to help companies treat the VPAT as more of a living document, something that evolves alongside your product. Rather than scrambling once a year to update everything, accessibility should be part of your regular development and QA processes, just like security or performance. Keeping it front of mind ensures your VPAT stays accurate and relevant. Accessible Web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.